Okay, to start off, I want to mention that with everything we do, with every skill that we want to learn, there has to be a lot of practice involved, a lot of trial and error. So for drawing, there's a lot of practice on how we create our lines, the types of lines we create. So it's important to understand how our brain and our body works together. In this case, how our mind connects with our body, our hands, to produce different types of lines. Specifically, if we want to create short or long lines, it all depends on how we use our arm, our wrist, and our fingers. Okay, so for example, if I were to create short lines, maybe about 1 centimeter, it's really small. If we notice the movement that's required is just my fingers. Okay, so if I'm to make short lines, what moves is my fingers. So that this is basically all I need, my finger muscles. Okay, if I were to do a hatching, it will be my finger muscles. Now, if I were to do longer lines, let's say about maybe 5 or 6 centimeters long, what I mostly move will be my wrist. Okay, let me show you real quick. So maybe a line from here to here, it will move my wrist. Or if I go vertically as well. Now, if I were to do longer lines of about, let's say, 15 centimeters, 10 maybe, then what I mostly need are my elbow muscles. So if you see, for every type of line, I've put fingers for the short ones, wrist, and elbow for the longer ones, because those are the specific muscles we use to create these lines. So if I were to do a longer line, I would move almost my whole arm on the surface to create a long line. So you see, there's little movement of my fingers or my wrist. It's mainly my elbow. Okay, so it's important that we practice these so that